You're going to start by removing the 4 screws on the knob. Hold and then hold the black panel so that it doesn't move.
Hold the last part screw.
When you remove the last screw, take that black panel off. You'll see a silver plate inside with 2 screws. You want to remove those 2 screws. Hold the plate so that it doesn't fall off. And once you remove those 2 screws, you'll go ahead and remove the plate. When you remove the plate, you'll see a pin, a cotter pin, and the knob. On that knob, there's a little piece that you'll want to remove. And once you remove that piece, you can go ahead and put it back together. So you'll put the knob in first, and then the cotter pin. Hold the cotter pin in place while you grab the silver panel and put that back on.
Hold in that knob.
Put it on the knob and then line it up with your screw holes. You're going to want to put those 2 screws back in by hand tightening to start. Once they're hand tightened in, you'll grab your screw gun or screwdriver and put them back in. Just till they are snug. Then you'll grab your black plate and line it up with the knob. You'll want to line the lock part up. Once that's lined up, it should line up with your 4 screw holes. You'll hand tighten in your 4 screws. Then you'll grab your screwdriver or screw gun and tighten those in. Once they're tightened in, you'll grab the red lock lever and make sure that the lock works.